see well. I will be the one who sees the wrong and makes it right.
Welcome guys, today we are fixing a broken gimbal Phantom 3 standard. Let's get started. Remove the landing pads. First of all, carefully remove the landing pad. Okay, once you're done removing the landing pad, get the gimbal out. Once the gimbal is out, now behind it is the yaw arm. On the yaw arm, lose the back of the yaw arm. Once you lose it, you just carefully lose it, get the right tools, get the panel out, the motor, align the motor to be horizontal towards the camera, horizontal up, put the pad back, then screw it up. Most time this happens when it crashes, so the camera starts shaking. It won't stop shaking, just lose it, align it. Once you align it, screw it back, make sure the landing robbers parts are not torn or broken. If it's torn, replace it. Make sure you get the antenna cable right, fix everything proper the way you lost it, and you'll be good to go. Return the part carefully, change the parts if any part is torn or weak, so that the landing will be smooth, the camera doesn't jerk when it lands. Once you're done, I think that is it. So right now I'm trying to get the part fixed up. Okay, good, good. Okay, carefully lock this nut, the rubber screw. Fix your battery back. On it. Once you on it, you connect it to your app, the DJI Go app. Then calibrate the camera. Once you calibrate the camera, your drone will be good. Hit calibrate, okay it. Then allow the drone to calibrate. So you just rotate. You can see it over here. Once you rotate, pan, and that is it. Just be patient. I like to finish the calibration. Yep. Cool. So that is it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, even though it's fast. Subscribe to my channel Sam Presto Films for more in-depth tutorial on drone fixing, both Phantom 4, Phantom 3, Mavic Pro. Hit the subscribe button and catch you in the next tutorial. This is Sam Presto signing out. Thank you.